So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Once we're here in the top left, you want to click on action and then click on rescan disks. Wait for this. And then once that's been done, see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to change the drive letter of your drive. So you want to find the drive you're having a problem with. Once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on change drive letter and paths. Select your drive and then click on change. Just simply change your drive letter and then click on OK. Some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly, so if you do want to continue, click on yes. And then hopefully this will fix your problem. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works.